Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself am Imti Vaman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. A student, today I shall discuss with you about multiplication of rational numbers of chapter 1, rational numbers. Students, multiplication of rational numbers. If a by b and c by d are two rational numbers, so it's multiply a by b multiply c by d equal to numerator y multiply numerator. So a into c by b into d, denominator multiply by denominator, equal to ac by bd. Multiplication of symbol. Remember, we first multiply sign of rational numbers. So remember, plus into plus equal to plus. Plus into minus equal to minus. Minus into plus equal to minus. And minus into minus equal to plus. We know that product of two like signs are always positive and the product of two unlike sign is always negative. Some properties of multiplication of rational number. Properties. Property 1. Closure property. The product of two rational numbers is always a rational number. So it is follow closure property. A by b multiply c by d equal to rational number. Property second. It is follow commutative law. Commutative line a by b into c by d equal to c by d into a by b. Now third property is associative law. A by b into c by d into e by f. A by b out of bracket and a c by b and e by b in the bracket. So equal to a by b into c by d in the bracket and e by f out of bracket. It is associative law. And fourth is distributive law over addition. A by b into c by d plus e by f. That means a by b into c by d plus a by b into e by f. Next, fifth property, existence of multiplicative identity. Friends, we know that 1 is the multiplicative identity. 1 is the multiplicative identity. So existence of multiplicative identity a by b into 1 equal to 1 into a by b equal to a by b. Sixth property, existence of multiplicative inverse. The multiplicative inverse or reciprocal. Other name of multiplicative inverse is reciprocal. So the reciprocal of a by b equal to a by b to the power minus 1 equal to b by a. The product of a rational number and its reciprocal or multiplicative inverse is 1. So a by b into b by a equal to 1. And last property is multiplicative property of 0. So a by b into 0 equal to 0 into a by b equal to 0. Students, understand and write it. Students, now I shall solve exercise 1D. Some questions are written here. Question number 1, find the products. Find the products. Question number 1, 3 by 5 into minus 7 by 8. 3 by 5 into minus 7 by 8. No cancelling. So write 3 into minus 7 by 5 into 8. So plus into minus, minus. 7 3 ja 21 and plus into plus, plus 5 8 ja 14. Answer. Next question is question number 5. Minus 12 by 5 into 10 by minus 3. So 5 2 ja 10 and 3 4 ja 12. Write it. Minus 4 into minus 2. So minus into minus plus 4 2 ja 8. Answer of this question. Next question is 16 by minus 21 into 14 by 5. Students, cancel here 14. 7 2 ja 14 and 7 3 ja 21 equal to minus 16 into 2 by 3 into 5. So minus 16 into 2 by 3 into 5. Minus into plus, minus 16 2 ja minus 32 by 3 5 ja 15. Answer. And question number 12 is minus 13 by 5 into minus 10. Cancel here 5 2 ja 10 equal to minus 13 into minus 2. Minus into minus plus. 13 2 ja 26. So plus 26. Answer of this question. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question of exercise 1D is question number 2. Verify. In verification, solve the left hand side and right hand side. If both sides are equal, then given क्वेश्चंस आर वेरीफाइड. ऐसे कॉम्यूटेटिव लॉ भी फॉलो करता है. a by b into c by d equal to c by d into a by d. 3 by 7 into minus 5 by 9 equal to minus 5 by 9 into 3 by 7. So left hand side equal to 3 by 7 equal to minus 5 by 9. 3 plus into minus, minus 3 5 ja 15 by, so sorry, cancel here 3 by 9. So 3 3 ja 9. 3 3 ja 9. So plus into minus, minus 5 by 7 3 ja 21. And right hand side minus 5 by 9 into 7 by 3. 3 3 ja 9 equal to plus into minus minus 5 by and 3 7 ja 21. Left hand side minus 5 by 21 and right hand side also minus 5 by 21. So therefore verified. And it is also follow commutative law. A into A by B into C by D equal to C by D into A by B. But solve with the help of left hand side. Left hand side minus 8 into minus 13 by 12. 4 to the 8 and 4 to the 12. Now minus into minus plus 13 to the 26 by 3 and right hand side equal to minus 13 by 12 into minus 8. 4 to the 8 and 4 to the 12 equal to minus into minus plus 13 to the 26 by 3. So left hand side 26 by 3 and right hand side also 26 by 3. So therefore it is a verified. Verified. Now students, next question is question number 5. In this question, find multiplicative inverse or reciprocal. The multiplicative inverse of 13 by 25. We know that the multiplicative inverse of A by B equal to B by A. And the multiplicative inverse of B by A equal to A by B. Similarly, the multiplicative inverse of 13 by 25 equal to 25 by 13. Answer. And the multiplicative inverse of 2 by minus 5. Change its in a standard form. Minus 2 by 5. So, multiplicative inverse of 2 by minus 5 equal to minus 5 by 2. Answer. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question of exercise 1D are written on this board. Question number 6 and 9. Question number 6. Find the value of 1 5 by 8 to the power minus 1. It is reciprocal. We have to find reciprocal. So 5 by 8 to the power minus 1. We know that A by B to the power minus 1 equal to B by A. So 5 by 8 to the power minus 1 equal to 8 by 5. Answer. Next, second question. Minus 4 by 9 to the power minus 1. So change into minus 9 by 4. And question number 3. Minus 7. That means minus 7 by 1. So minus 7 to the power minus 1. So it change into minus 1 by 7. Answer. Minus 7 to the power minus 1. That means minus 7 by 1. So change it minus 1 by 7. And 1 by minus 3 to the power minus 1. So it change 3 by 1 equal to minus 3 by 1 equal to minus 3. Answer. And question number 9, fill in the blank. So many questions given in this question. So the product of a rational number and its reciprocal. We know that the product of a rational number and its reciprocal is always 1. because a by b into b by a equal to 1. So the product of a rational number and its reciprocal is 1. Next, 0 has no reciprocal. 0 का reciprocal नहीं होता, because 0, the reciprocal of 0 equal to 1 by 0, and 1 by 0 that means meaningless. So 0 has no reciprocal. The reciprocal of a is 1 by a, and the reciprocal of 1 by a equal to a. Students, understand and write it. Today your homework is solve exercise 1D. Thank you. That's all.